Hi all, today we are going to see what is data classification. It is nothing but ensuring data and systems are marked or labeled based on the value to the organization. Why do we need to protect it? To protect the confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Who is going to protect? Data owners are ultimately responsible for it. How we are going to protect it? We have various security mechanisms like implementing firewall, proxy, using encryption algorithm, and so on. There are two types of classification: government classification, non-government classification. Under government classification, we have top secret, secret, confidential, unclassified. Under non-government classification, confidential or proprietary, private, sensitive, and public. See, we have same impact for both government classification and non-government classification. When top secret gets exposed, exceptionally grave damage to the organization. When secret exposed to unauthorized users, serious damage. Confidential, damage to the organization. Unclassified, no damage to the organization. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Bye.